looking for a brighter style to the back end of your 2007 through 2013 Silverado 1500, this set of C-bar LED taillights with the chrome housing and the clear lens is a great option to look into. Now, this is a good set for the Silverado owner wanting an update in the tech for the rear end to modernize the look and function of their truck with an LED setup, while also adding in some chrome accents to match the traditional polished look on the truck as well. Now, whether you just want a style upgrade or need to replace a set of damaged taillights, this is an affordable choice if you don't want to break the bank when finding a set of taillights. This set features a bright and polished appearance, drawing eyes to your truck and offering some cohesiveness with other chrome accents that you may already have on your build. Aside from the housing, the LED lighting is also a huge feature here with the stylish C-bar LED running light, giving a modern fiber optic effect, and a cluster of bright LEDs in the center to make your truck more noticed to other drivers on the street. This also integrates red reflectors and LED markers for additional safety and style. Now, this is also a hybrid design. It keeps a lot of the majority of the function and tech up top coming from the LEDs, but to keep it on the more affordable side, this does keep the factory reverse bulb paired with a new chrome reflector for a slight improvement in rear end visibility when backing up at night, and you can easily swap that over into this housing or upgrade it if you're looking for better performance there as well. Now, these have a plastic housing and lens, being lightly impact resistant, and they're able to hold up to the elements well. The housing is also molded to factory spec, so you can expect a direct bolt-in construction. Now, this does include resistors on the back to eliminate any hyper flashing or other weird symptoms that may happen when switching from a halogen over to an LED. And with the OE style harness, in addition to the reuse of the factory reverse bulb, this has a completely plug and play construction. Now, this set is about $200, which is very affordable for a set of taillights in the category. Now, one of the reasons being is that it does have that hybrid construction. It's a little bit more straightforward without a ton of fancy features, but it offers a lot out of the function for the back of the truck and is very stylish, especially if you're a fan of that bright chrome look. I think if you want a bright set of taillights that makes a statement but isn't overly pricey, then this is a great set to consider. Now, install here is very easy. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and at most, it'll take you about an hour to get these installed. However, at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers. They're gonna show you a detailed breakdown on how you can get these onto your Silverado at home. So that's gonna wrap it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Tools required for this install include a Phillips head screwdriver. What's up, guys? Today we're installing taillights on our Silverado. First, we're gonna watch a quick uninstall video showing you how to remove the factory taillights, and I'll meet you back here for the install.
All right, so the first step in our install with the tailgate down, we're gonna remove both Phillips head screws on the inside of our taillight. All right, so with a Phillips head screwdriver, or we're just using this Phillips head bit just to make it a little bit faster, go ahead and remove both of these bolts. With both the bolts removed, go ahead and grab your taillight and pull straight forward. Once the taillight is released from these 2 pins at the back here, you can see each of these bulbs you have to twist to remove. Go ahead and grab the connectors and twist, and remove each bulb at a time.
Now that we have our factory taillight removed, we need to pull out a couple bulbs from our wiring harness. Now the top and the bottom bulbs are coming out. The center one is for the reverse. That's going to be staying in. So just go ahead and wiggle these out. And then you can grab your new taillight. At the top, we have this connector. That's going to be going into this bulb socket. Now I'm matching up the black wire side of the connector with the black wire side of our socket. Plug that in. Tuck the wires back into the housing. Put your socket in there and twist to the right to lock that into place. And then we're going to grab our bottom socket with no bulb. That's going to be going in the second hole. And then the bulb for our reverse light is going in the bottom. Twist them all to the right to lock it into place. And then we can tuck our boxes into that cutout. Tuck the wire. Line it up and press it straight back into place. Now take a Phillips head screwdriver and your factory screws. Thread those into the U-clips. And then do that same thing on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the C-Bar LED taillights with chrome housing and clear lens for your 2007 to 13 Silverado 1500. Thank you for watching, and for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.